How to fix Windows 11, no internet access but connected. This works for both wireless connection and also Ethernet connection. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to your taskbar, then go to search, then search for control panel. Then open control panel. Then go to category, then large icons. Then go to internet options. Then go to advanced. Then you need to restore advanced settings. Then click on apply. Then OK. Now check if it is able to access internet. Then if it doesn't, now you need to go to the next fix. Now you are going to close this one. Then again you will come to your taskbar, then to search. Then you will search for control panel. Then open control panel. Click on view by. Select category. Then come to network and internet. Then go to network and sharing center. Then go to change adapter settings. Then if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you are going to double click on that. Then go to properties. So this is your network driver. Now once you've known that, you will go to your taskbar again. On your Windows Start icon, right click on it. Then go to Device Manager. Then you will come to network. Then you will come to network adapters. Click on that drop down. Then you will see the name of your adapter here. So if we compare these two, we see this one and this one, they are the same. So ensure that you are clicking on the right adapter. So once you know that, you will click on the adapter on your device manager, then right click on it, then uninstall device, then click on uninstall. Then once you have done that, you will go to action, then scan for hardware changes. As you can see, the driver has been reinstalled here. So once you've done that, you will need to close all this. Then you will go to your internet. Then connect to your Wi-Fi. Then you need to enter the password for your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to do that. Then click on next. As you can see, now it is connected. That's how you can fix Windows 11, no internet access, but yet connected. If you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also to like the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.